Sierra Stone is a company who's been around for 20 years. We have an outstanding team of fabricators that work here.
We are a company that likes extreme challenges and likes to fabricate custom masterpieces.
In purchasing park equipment, we have increased our production. We went from 5 to 8 slabs maximum cutting a week to the 20-25 range cutting a week. We are producing cleaner, more accurate work that fits together in the field.
In less time.
In way less time. I think that the machine is built far superior. I think the metal's thicker. I think the base of the machine is stronger. I think the parts are going to last longer. I think the accuracy factor will far surpass those other machines. I love the inside mitering capability, inside mitering corners. We do those every day. That's an hour and a half for a talented guy. The SaberJet does that in minutes and accurately and efficiently and all day long. Accuracy, 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 accuracy. That's maybe one guy, 2.5 days, 2 days, somewhere in there for a large island, for a full slab island with an OG. The Titan can do that in an hour and a half. And you flip the island over and your OG is absolutely perfect. It's absolutely perfect. That's impressive to me. I think the Park HYDROCLEAR is an outstanding machine. It allows us to filter water at an incredible rate, to reuse our water. Our water bill has gone down substantially. Literally, it does its own thing. All we do is change bags once a month. That's it. I've experienced longevity in buying the Pro Edge in 1999, and it's still a functioning machine every day. It has the original C-arm. We've maintained our machines very well.
I wonder how many times the thing has traveled back and forth.
Oh, millions! Millions.
Yeah.
Literally millions.
That's funny because we had the original from the Pro Edge and then we have the Titan, and we're like, okay, well, which way should I go with? Am I going to use the newest machinery, or can I still use that machine that puts out a perfect edge every time?
We've overnighted parts. I mean, you guys always have parts, always has parts in stock. No matter what machine you have, no matter what you do, there's still guys on your staff at Park who know every part on the Pro Edge 2, and that's a 1999 machine. And they still can talk you through it and say, well, take this nut off of this end of this spindle and do this and do that. Adjust this. Sounds like it's running tight. Sounds like it's running loose.
Yeah.
They can literally diagnose things over the phone. I've had them check things that are just the most odd things that go wrong, and they hit them every time. They absolutely stand behind what they say, and they absolutely stand behind what they do and what they build.
Second that.
That kind of commitment, I think, is priceless.